Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make our first video related to how to introduce yourself in your interviews. First of all, we start from our CV. What kind of CV we should have? So my CV is like this. Start with my name, my phone number, then email, my social accounts, and so on. Then I have added my about section, education, final year project. I have some teaching experience. I have added this. My corporate experience is this. Basically, I have more than one to two internships, but I have added only one because if I have had more than one experience, then it becomes so lengthy. My CV becomes so lengthy and boring. So that is why I choose to add only one video. After this, I have some achievements and awards. If you don't have, you can might skip this. But I have, so I added this in my resume. My skills are about my AI. Basically, I am an AI engineer, so I have these skills. What kind of project I have built? I have created a lot of projects. The reason is this that I use only few because the length of the CV will exceed more than 3 pages, which might be very much messy. So I selected only four my projects. Remaining are on my GitHub. You can watch there, or if anyone interested, then you can check out. There are some sections about hackathons. Same. I have also made so many hackathons, participate in so many hackathons in my previous year, which might be very messy if I have added all of them. Almost I have done 10 to plus hackathons, which are so much in numbers. Few certifications which I have taken from IBM, Doki University, Deep Learning, AI, University of California, and so on. Some seminar and workshops I have attended. I also participated in 3 days generative AI bootcamp. Then there is a leadership experience, which might be good if you are showing your skills as a leader or project manager. Then you can add it. So I added this. Here are some references, my teacher references, my professors references, and the mentors I have. My mentor is Sir Zafar Shahid, so I have added this. So how things work in the interviews. First of all, they might ask you introduce yourself. So don't be panic. Start yourself as a where you from, what is your name, what have you done so far. Add your best thing in your introduction. So I am going to add my introduction. For example, interview asks me explain yourself. Introduce yourself. Who are you? Then what will be my answer? So I am not reading from my about me section because this is not sufficient for me. So if you are a student and you can might create some paraphrase paragraphs or something before interviews. Prepare yourself before interview. Like I have created my introduce yourself section, which is in three sections, like in which I have introduced myself as my name, my university. Then in second paragraph, I use my machine learning experience. Then I have some other experience. So I have ended in three steps. Which is it? For example, a interviewer asks me introduce yourself. What will be my answer? Let's make it simple. Hi, my name is Mirza Yasir Abdullah Beg. I am an AI/ML engineer and a computer science graduate from University of Lahore. I have had-on experience in machine learning, deep learning, MLOps through internships, hackathon, and real-world. projects. I have built and deployed 10 plus ML and deep learning projects ranging from healthcare, finance, NLP, computer vision, and many more. Alongside development, I also an instructor and mentor where I have teach Python and AI fundamentals, which has strengthened my core concepts and communication skills. Currently, I am focusing on building scalable, productive level AI systems and growing as a machine learning engineer. So, my first question about what introduction is done. After this, the interviewer might ask me, walk me through your resume. So don't repeat your resume from first line to the last. Just cover the important points and not so much lengthy. So for this answer, walk me through your resume. What will be the answer? I completed my bachelor's in computer science from University of Lahore, where I studied student strong fundamentals like DSA, O, machine learning, statistics, databases, and software engineering. After my degree, I completed multiple internships as data analyst and machine learning engineer, where I have worked on end-to-end projects, ML pipelines from data pre-processing and EDA to model training, evaluation, and deployment using Streamlit and cloud platforms. I have participated in 8 plus international hackathons, including Agentic Conference on Arc and Gen AI hackathons, where I built RAG system, multi-agents AI, and AI monetization systems. Along this, I teach Python and AI, mentor students, run a learning community, and actively share AI content on LinkedIn with over 10K followers. This is my resume walkthrough. So then the interviewer might may ask me, why did you choose machine learning as a career? So my answer should be, I choose machine learning because it sits as at the intersection of problem solving, mathematics, and real world impact. What attracts me most is the ability to build systems that learn from data and improve over time, whether it's predicting disease, analyze sentiment, or building intelligent agents. Over time, through projects and internship, I realized that machine learning allows me to turn raw data into decision-making systems, which is something I genuinely enjoy and want to master professionally. So this is the simple answer. Now move to our next question. Why are you applying for this role? If you are applying for such as machine learning roles, then you should answer, I am applying for this role because it's aligned perfectly with my skills in Python, machine learning, deep learning, and deployment. I am looking for an environment where I can work on real-world production problems, collaborate with experienced engineers, and also apply my knowledge beyond demos, especially in scalable ML systems and applied AI. This role gives me the opportunity to contribute immediately while continuing to grow as an AI engineer. What are your core technical skills? So you should answer your interview that my core skills include Python, data science, structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming, machine learning, deep learning, and MLOps. I have had-on experience with NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, LangChain, vector bases, and RAG pipelines. I am also comfortable with SQL, FastAPI, Flask, Streamlit, Git, and cloud-based deployments. What kind of project you have worked on? This is a very important question. So my answer should be, I have worked on wide range of projects including disease prediction model, churn prediction, sentiment analysis, recommendation system, image classification, time series forecasting, and rate-based GenAI system. Recently, I have focused more on GenAI, agentic systems, and end-to-end ML deployment rather than just model training. Which product project are you most proud and why? This is also a important question. Our project should be on best of the best. If you are in interview, always choose your best project. So I choose my project. The most proud of is Audit AI, an agentic AI powered website auditing tool that I built to analyze SEO performance, accessibility, and security issue of any website. What makes this project special is that it goes beyond basic rule based check. It uses an agentic AI approach to automatically detect issues, generate actionable suggestions, even product produce optimize HTML and SEO fix synapse. I designed the system end to end from the website scanning and metrics calculation using beautiful soap and request to AI-driven analyze, and finally I reach interactive dashboard built with Streamlit like Plotly and Matplotlib. This product helped me understand how to build production system AI systems combining data extraction, AI reasoning, visualization, and user-centric design. It reflects my ability to move from web data to intelligent, explainable, and deployable AI solutions. What challenges did you face while building your projects? Some major challenges include handling messy real-world data, model overfitting, selecting the right evaluation metrics, and optimizing model performance. In GenAI products, controlling hallucinations and ensuring ground response to the RAG was also challenging. I addressed these by improving data processing, experimenting with multiple models, and continuously validation of outputs. How did you approach learning a new technology? I start by understanding the core concept and problem itself. Then I solve small hands-on projects, real documentation, and finally apply it to real-world use cases. Teaching and writing about what I learned also help me solidifying concept quickly. What is your biggest technical weakness? Earlier, I used to focus too much on model accuracy instead of system design and scalability. Over time, I have actively worked on improving these by learning MLOps, deployment strategies, and production ML pipelines. So, this is not done yet. Like you are just starting from first step, then you have to move higher levels. So that's it for the first video. We can move our next questions in our next video. Thanks for watching.